Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best fruit rolling cart is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving additions you can make to your kitchen or pantry, offering a convenient way to organize and access your fresh produce, snacks, and other household essentials with its multi-tiered design and mobility. This rolling cart is designed to maximize your storage capacity without sacrificing valuable counter or floor space, making it an ideal solution for kitchens of all sizes, from compact apartments to larger family homes, ensuring that your fruits and vegetables are always within easy reach and beautifully displayed. Number 5. SAYZH 4-tier fruit basket stand. Maximize your space with this versatile storage solution. Each layer can be used independently or stacked, offering flexible organization for all your essentials. This metal wire basket creates valuable vertical storage in any area. It's perfect for kitchens, bedrooms, laundry rooms, or even dorms. Easily move your storage wherever you need it. The smooth rolling casters, with 2 lockable options, ensure it stays put when you want it to. Crafted from high-quality, rust-proof metal with a durable black coating, this basket is designed for long-lasting use and won't easily deform. The open mesh design promotes air circulation, reducing dust buildup and keeping your items fresh. It's also easy to disassemble for cleaning. From fruits and vegetables to toys and craft supplies, this stand handles it all. It's the perfect way to keep your home tidy and organized. What we like. This cart offers incredible versatility with stackable baskets that can be used individually or together, maximizing your storage space. Its portable mesh design ensures excellent air circulation, keeping your produce fresh. If you need a flexible storage solution that can adapt to various needs and keep items breathable, this is the one for you. What people say. The cart is very sturdy and holds a lot of fruit. I love the rolling feature, it makes it easy to move the cart around the kitchen. The tiers are deep enough to hold large fruits like melons. Number 4. SONGMICS DALTEN Collection 4-tier Slim Storage Cart. Tired of clutter and narrow spaces? This slim cart is designed to fit perfectly into those tight spots in your kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room. With 4 spacious tiers, it offers ample room to organize your essentials. Keep your daily items neatly arranged, making your rooms look elegant and tidy. Customize the spacing between the baskets to fit items of different sizes. The breathable design also keeps your produce fresh. Crafted from high-quality metal, this cart is exceptionally sturdy and built for long-lasting use. It can hold up to 35.2 pounds, ensuring reliability. Equipped with 4 360-degree rotating wheels, 2 with brakes, it moves smoothly wherever you need it. You can also lock it securely in place. What we like. This cart boasts an ultra-slim profile, perfect for tucking into narrow spaces. The adjustable basket spacing allows you to customize it for items of different heights. If you're looking to organize a tight spot like the space between your washer and dryer or a small kitchen corner, this narrow cart is an ideal fit. What people say. The cart is very sturdy and holds a lot of fruit. I love that it has wheels so I can move it around easily. The tiers are deep enough to hold large fruits like melons. Number 3. XYZLVSI 4-tier Rolling Kitchen Cart. Introducing the XYZLVSI Rolling Kitchen Cart, a versatile 4-tier storage solution designed to declutter your home. It's perfect for kitchens, pantries, or any room needing extra organization. This cart offers a stylish wood top and 3 pull-out baskets, ideal for storing fruits, vegetables, snacks, or even office supplies. Its adaptable design fits seamlessly into your living space. Easily access and organize your items with the smooth sliding baskets. Each comes with a chalk label, making it simple to identify and manage your stored goods. Crafted from vintage-style particle board and sturdy metal, this cart is built to last. The robust wood top supports up to 50 pounds, while each basket holds up to 13 pounds. Get organized in no time. This cart comes with all the necessary tools and clear instructions for an easy assembly process, typically completed within 25 minutes. Your purchase includes the kitchen storage cart, all installation tools, and user-friendly instructions. We also provide friendly customer service to assist you. What we like. Featuring convenient pull-out baskets and a stylish wood top, this cart offers both functionality and a touch of elegance. The included chalk labels make organization a breeze. If you appreciate easy access to your items and want a visually appealing way to store produce, snacks, or pantry staples, this cart is a great choice. What people say. The cart is easy to assemble and the wheels roll smoothly, making it simple to move around the kitchen. It provides ample storage space for various fruits and vegetables, keeping them organized and accessible. The tiered design allows for good air circulation, which helps keep produce fresh for longer. Number 2. CHLORYARD 4-Tier Rolling Vegetable Fruit Basket. Introducing the CHLORYARD 4-Tier Rolling Cart, designed to bring organization and style to your home. Its versatile design offers ample storage for all your needs. This cart features a large capacity with a beautiful wood-look top, perfect for placing items. It includes 3 pull-out baskets for easy access to your fruits and vegetables. Each basket is equipped with small wheels, allowing them to slide in and out smoothly. This makes it ideal for storing items like bananas, apples, potatoes, and onions. Built with sturdy metal brackets and a robust wood top, this cart is made to last. The top can support up to 50 pounds, and each basket holds up to 13 pounds. Measuring 12.2 x 16.5 x 27H, it provides extra storage space wherever you need it. Use it as a kitchen cart, pantry cart, or even a bathroom cart. Setting up this cart is a breeze. It can be fully assembled in just 15 minutes, with all necessary screws and tools included. What we like. This cart combines a chic wood top with practical pull-out baskets for effortless storage. It's designed for incredibly quick assembly, getting you organized in minutes. If you need a stylish and functional storage solution that's easy to put together, especially for kitchens, pantries, or dining areas, this cart is perfect. What people say. This cart is very sturdy and well-made. The wheels roll smoothly and lock securely, making it easy to move around the kitchen. I love the tiered design of this cart. It provides ample storage space for all my fruits and vegetables, and the open shelves allow for good air circulation. The assembly was straightforward and took less than 30 minutes. All the parts were included and the instructions were clear. Number 1. COVAODQ 4-Tier Adjustable Fruit Basket Cart. Introducing a versatile storage cart designed to organize your home. Its sturdy metal construction ensures durability for everyday use. Customize your storage with adjustable tiers and a convenient top wood panel. This feature allows you to store various items, from fresh produce to small appliances. The mesh grid design promotes air circulation and reduces dust, keeping your items fresh. It's also easy to disassemble and clean, making maintenance a breeze. With 360-degree wheels, you can effortlessly move it anywhere you need extra storage. It's perfect for kitchens, bedrooms, or even offices. Assembly is quick and easy with all necessary parts and tools included. You'll have it set up in minutes, ready to declutter your space. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, our customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like. With detachable layers and a beautiful wood top, this cart offers customizable storage for various items, from produce to appliances. The adjustable wheels ensure it can be moved with ease. If you desire a versatile cart that can be adapted to different storage needs and looks great in any room, this option is a fantastic selection. What people say. The cart is easy to assemble and doesn't require any tools. It has a compact design that fits well in small kitchens. The rolling wheels allow for easy movement and repositioning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.